to another episode of Decorating Ideas Decorate with me for summer 2025. In today's video, I will be doing a clean and decorate with me for my new home for summer 2025. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. My name is Dede and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. On this channel, I do home decorating ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create high-end looking homes on a budget. And if this is something you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. Let me introduce to you guys my new cleaning helper, the Yeedi M12 robotic vacuum, which came in very well packaged and every piece was very well defined. It also came in with these manuals for people who have zero ideas on how to start about putting such things together. Even though I want to highlight that it is super easy to set up, but if you need some extra help, the manuals are there in 3 different languages to help you. It comes in with a dirty tank and a clean tank. Each item was very well protected to prevent any damage or scratches. I am here for it. I wanted to show this process because I am one of those people who usually struggles to understand how to deal with these high-tech products for my home. Even though they are here to make life easy, some of them could be so difficult to understand, but this one right here, I'll tell you, if you are not tech savvy, you got this. Just download the app and you are good to go. On the box, it also has the instructions on how to take it out and assemble because it is super easy, and they're literally telling you that the manual is just that extra help that you would need, but on the box you have every detail that you need as well. These are all the parts out of the box, and setting it up, as you can see, it is super easy. And I wanted to highlight that the 3 languages that I found in the Yeedi M12 manuals were English, French, and Spanish. So if you speak any of these languages or you can read any of these languages, you would find it super easy to use the manual. If you are a mom or have pets, the Yeedi M12 robotic vacuum has come to save the day. It does both vacuuming and mopping your floors. And when I talk about mopping, I'm not talking about just pulling a rack on the floor. It actually scrubs the floor, and you guys are going to see that in just a minute. Right now, I am putting in the dirty tank, which goes to the back, and the clean tank, which goes to the front. This whole setup builds the charging station and the cleaning station of the actual vacuum, which I am inserting in right now. Then you fill in your clean tank with water. The water in the clean tank is meant to wash the racks and also help just clean out this entire robotic station for you, to prep it to clean your home and keep your home clean without any streaks. I am totally in love because this robotic vacuum actually does the job that I want it to do for me. It is finally time to clean and decorate the kitchen. As you can see, in this area, we have a little mess made by my baby. It could be anyone. It could be an adult that was just snacking and made a mess. In my case, my daughter was snacking and she made a mess. And as a very busy mom, I want to be able to just go on my phone, click a button, and get this mess cleaned out without lifting a finger. And that is what I'm going to show you guys today, the magic of the M12 Yeedi robotic vacuum. I have had so many vacuums and I've never had a vacuum actually scrub the floor the way the Yeedi vacuum scrubs my floors. I love that I do not necessarily have to come back behind it to mop afterwards. It basically vacuums and mop together in one, and it will go back to the station after doing it for a little while, clean up, and then come back and continue if there is still more to do. So that feature alone is so amazing to me because that is what makes it stand out in my very own opinion. I love that the vacuum goes underneath those areas that I'm not able to reach when I'm cleaning on a day-to-day basis. An amazing feature that it has is it recognizes when it moves from a hard surface to a rock, and so it lifts the rag, making sure that your rocks don't get wet when it is cleaning the rock. I love that for sure. After the cleaning is done, it retires to its station to empty itself and clean itself with hot water to make sure that when it's going back to clean, your rags and the whole vacuum is ready to go. I really love it. If you are interested in getting this vacuum, make sure you check the link down below to get yours, because this vacuum is such an amazing helper for me and my family's needs, and I'm sure it's going to help you as well. If there's any information about this vacuum, like sales, discounts, I'm going to put it in the description box down below. It is finally time to clean the countertops and decorate them to enhance this beautiful kitchen. As you guys know, we just moved into this house and we have been slowly decorating every space. One thing that you're going to notice is my ability to prevent so much clutter. This house is such a beautiful home, and I want to make sure that whatever piece I put in does not interfere with the beauty of the house. And so in today's video, you would notice that I would just be enhancing this kitchen and not completely transforming and decorating the kitchen in such a way that the beauty of the kitchen is taken away. So I want you guys to note that for sure, and I hope you are going to learn a thing or two from today's decorating ideas. And if you have not dropped a beautiful comment up to this point, what are you waiting for, sis? Please drop me a beautiful comment. Tell me something nice, because you know I love to see those comments. And if you are new to the channel and do not know how it works over here, hey, I hope you're here to stay. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with a family or friend, and drop us a beautiful comments, because we love the comments. We love interacting in the comment section to hear your thoughts and anything that you have to say about today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I am truly grateful for you guys. Without you, I'm not gonna be here, enjoying all these beautiful, pieces from amazing companies. Thank you guys so much for always supporting your girl and coming back for more. It's time to refresh and decorate the kitchen, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below.